Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tuna salad. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 2 cans of tuna, some mayonnaise, and fresh celery. Also, prepare a small onion, a lemon for juice, and your preferred seasonings. Make sure you have a mixing bowl and a fork handy for the upcoming steps. These simple items are all you need to begin crafting your perfect tuna salad. Now, let's prepare the tuna. Begin by thoroughly draining the 2 cans of tuna. You want to remove as much liquid as possible to prevent a watery salad. Once drained, transfer the tuna into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Then, take a fork and gently flake the tuna apart. This helps create a consistent texture and ensures all ingredients will mix evenly in the next step. With your tuna flaked, it is time to combine the other delicious ingredients. Add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise to the bowl with the tuna. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of finely diced celery for that essential crunch. Then, mix in 1 tablespoon of minced red onion, which adds a subtle sharpness. Gently fold everything together until all the ingredients are well combined and evenly distributed. Finally, let's season your tuna salad to perfection. Add about 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, adjusting to your taste. For a bright, fresh flavor, stir in 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Give it one last gentle mix. Your delicious homemade tuna salad is now ready to enjoy on sandwiches, crackers, or lettuce wraps. Remember to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.